Why do you like her so much? Is it the way she supports your every move? Or the way she puts you first all the time? Is it her loyalty to you? Here are 15 things she might do that can make you nuts about her. Number 1. Her compassion shows through every action. Compassion is the cornerstone of a loving relationship. When a woman shows genuine concern and empathy for her partner, it speaks volumes. From being there during challenging times to celebrating small victories, her compassion reinforces the bond between partners. Compassion isn't just felt, it's shown in daily interactions. A compassionate partner recognizes when to offer solace and when to celebrate, intuitively understanding her partner's emotional needs. This empathy strengthens the relationship, making her partner feel valued and understood. Number 2. She shares her inner world. Trust is built on vulnerability. A woman who shares her fears, hopes, and dreams invites her partner into her inner world. This level of openness fosters a deeper connection and mutual understanding, showing she values and trusts her partner's presence in her life. Opening up about personal experiences and emotions isn't easy. It requires trust and emotional safety. A woman who shares her innermost thoughts is inviting her partner into a sacred space, where mutual trust and understanding can flourish, enhancing the relationship's depth. The third is unwavering support in your pursuit of dreams. Encouragement is a powerful form of love. A woman who supports her partner's ambitions, cheering them on and offering a helping hand, becomes an invaluable part of their journey toward achieving their dreams. Supporting a partner's dreams involves more than just words of encouragement. It's about being there during setbacks and celebrating achievements. It demonstrates a belief in their potential and a commitment to their happiness and success, solidifying the partnership's foundation. The fourth is remaining steadfast. During adversity, resilience in love is tested in times of hardship. A woman who stands by her partner, offering strength and encouragement, proves that her commitment is unwavering, and together, they can face any challenge. Staying by a partner's side through thick and thin demonstrates a deep commitment to the relationship. It's about offering a shoulder to lean on and being a source of light in the darkest times, which can make the bond unbreakable. Number 5. Small gestures that brighten your day. It's the little things that count. Whether it's a thoughtful message, a surprise visit, or a comforting hug, these small gestures make a significant impact, showing her love and consideration in daily life. The impact of small gestures of love and kindness cannot be underestimated. These acts are a constant reminder of her love, making everyday moments special and reinforcing the connection between partners. Number 6 is embracing you, flaws and all. Acceptance is a profound expression of love. When a woman embraces her partner's imperfections with understanding and patience, it creates a safe space for authenticity and growth within the relationship. True acceptance goes beyond mere tolerance of flaws. It's about appreciating the uniqueness of a partner and seeing beauty in imperfections. This fosters a genuine, deep-rooted love and encourages a nurturing environment where both partners can grow. The 7th, building bonds with your circle. Respect for your loved ones reflects her respect for you. A woman who makes an effort to connect with your friends and family demonstrates her desire to be a part of your life fully. Effort to connect with a partner's loved ones shows an understanding of their importance in his life. It reflects a willingness to integrate into his world fully, enriching the relationship through shared connections and experiences. Meanwhile, 8 is opening up about her fears and hopes. When she shares her vulnerabilities, it's a sign of trust. Discussing personal challenges and aspirations strengthens the bond, highlighting a mutual desire for a deep and meaningful connection. Discussing vulnerabilities and dreams is a sign of deep trust and connection. It allows partners to support each other's aspirations and fears, building a foundation of mutual support and understanding. The 9th, trusting you with her past. Revealing the shadows of her past is a testament to trust. When a woman shares her struggles and darker moments, it signifies her belief in the strength and security of the relationship. When she shares the scars from her past, it shows a level of trust and commitment to the relationship. It allows for a deeper emotional connection and understanding, paving the way for a future filled with mutual respect and support. Number 10. Appreciation for the small things. Gratitude is key to a happy partnership. When she acknowledges and appreciates the efforts, no matter how small, it fosters a culture of respect and mutual appreciation. Acknowledging and valuing each other's contributions to the relationship creates a positive feedback loop of love and appreciation. It's about recognizing the effort and love behind actions, which strengthens the emotional bond between partners. 11. She's a pillar of wisdom and friendship. Being a confidant and advisor signifies a deep connection. When a woman offers sage advice and a listening ear, she becomes not just a lover, but a best friend. Offering advice and support is a hallmark of a deep friendship within a romantic relationship. It's about being a reliable confidant and supporter, fostering a partnership where both individuals feel heard and valued. Number 12. Making you feel like a priority. Balance is essential in love. A woman who balances her life while making her partner feel valued shows that she respects the relationship and cherishes their time together. Balancing personal and shared life while making a partner feel important is a delicate act. It signifies a deep respect for the relationship and a commitment to nurturing it, ensuring the partner feels cherished and central to her life. 13 is, she's ready to make sacrifices. Sacrifice is a true love language. When a woman is willing to compromise for the well-being of the relationship, it underscores the depth of her commitment and love. That willingness to make sacrifices speaks to the depth of her commitment. It shows an understanding of the importance of compromise and the willingness to put the relationship's needs at the forefront, demonstrating profound love and dedication. Number 14. Promoting positive change. Constructive criticism comes from a place of love. A woman who encourages her partner to grow and avoid harmful behaviors does so out of a desire to see them thrive. Encouraging a partner to avoid negative behaviors and foster positive change shows she really cares for her man. It's about wanting the best for them, supporting their growth, and being a positive influence in their life, which can lead to a healthier, happier relationship. And finally, number 15. The fear of loss. The fear of losing a loved one is natural in deep connections. When a woman expresses concern over losing her partner, it highlights the value and significance of the relationship in her life. It's a natural part of deeply caring for someone. Addressing these fears together can strengthen trust and communication, ensuring the relationship remains strong and secure. Each action, whether big or small, contributes to a richer, more fulfilling relationship. Remember, love is a journey shared together, and through understanding, respect, and mutual support, it's a journey that grows ever more beautiful. If you found value in our guide, please like this video and subscribe to Romance Repair for more insights into cultivating a lasting love. Until next time, keep nurturing your love and connections.